Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Peggy and today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to make a classic button-down midi dress. This dress has almost everything I like. The classic button-down, midi length and black. Dresses are the most wanted wardrobe item from day to night dressing. And these dresses are perfect for transitioning from day to play. The button details often add structures or shape to it, which means that it can be worn either to work or to the party. The dress's midi style is appropriate for any occasions. It's not so long, not so short length. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure that give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Have a lovely day and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!